This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to log in to your American Express corporate card account. Let's get started by ensuring you have everything you need to access your account safely and securely. First, you'll need to navigate to the official American Express website, or if you prefer, open the Amex mobile app on your device. It's crucial to use only the official channels to protect your personal information and ensure that your login process is secure. Once you're on the homepage, find and click on the login button. This will direct you to the login screen where you'll need to enter your user ID and password. Make sure that the information you enter is accurate to avoid any login issues. After you've filled in your details, proceed by clicking to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your corporate card account dashboard. This is where you can manage your card details, view transactions, and handle other account-related tasks. If this is your first time logging in and you haven't registered yet, don't worry. Simply click on Create New Online Account to set up your account. Follow the instructions provided and you'll be all set. Sometimes we all forget our login details. If that happens to you, just click on Forgot User ID or Password. This will guide you through the recovery steps to regain access to your account. Make sure to follow the prompts carefully and you'll be back in no time. A few important things to keep in mind while accessing your account. Always use the official American Express website or app to log in. This helps prevent any unauthorized access and protects your sensitive information. Never share your login details with anyone. It's also a good idea to make sure you're using a secure device, preferably one that you trust, to further protect your account. And that's it. That's how you log in to your American Express corporate card account. With these steps, you can manage your finances effortlessly and with peace of mind. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.